Honoring Claudette Colvin. In 1955, 9 months prior to Rosa Parks, Claudette Colvin refused to give up her seat on a city bus when the bus driver asked her to move for a white passenger. When she refused to give up her seat because, quote, it was her constitutional right, she was arrested. Claudette attended a segregated school in Montgomery, Alabama, where her teachers made sure to teach about important people from Black American history. Colvin looked up to Harriet Tubman and Sojourner Truth as role models. The first person arrested for challenging Montgomery's bus segregation laws, many of her classmates shunned her. But Colvin says she remembers the words of a reverend, quote, "I'm so proud of you. Everyone prays for freedom, but you're different. You want your answers the next morning, and I think you just brought the revolution to Montgomery." While it took 9 more months for the arrest of Rosa Parks to spark the Montgomery bus boycott, Colvin became one of 4 plaintiffs and testified in the Supreme Court case Browder v. Gale that ruled that Montgomery's segregated busing was unconstitutional. In 2021, at the age of 82, Colvin filed to have her 1955 arrest record expunged. She stated that she wanted to show her grandchildren change is possible. After filing her request, County Judge Calvin Williams signed an order to seal and destroy all court records of Colvin's arrest. Honoring Claudette Colvin.